A mass M attached to a spring oscillates with a period of 2 seconds. When the mass is increased by 2 kg, the period becomes 3 seconds. Find the value of M. Alright, so first of all, let's figure out the formula to use here. We know that omega is equals to 2 pi over period. Then we also know that omega is equals to the square root of k over m. So if we combine these two formulas, it means that 2 pi over period is equals to the square root of k over m. So if I divide both sides by 2 pi, then period is equals to 1 over 2 pi, the square root of k over m. But if I reciprocate this, it means that period is equals to 2 pi square root of m over k. So this is the formula I'm going to use. Let's just remove everything. So period is equals to 2 pi square root of m over k. That's what we're using. So using this formula, let's start with the first part. It says a mass m produces a period of 2 seconds. So I'll say period 1 is equals to 2 pi square root of, where there's mass, I'll put the m we've been given, over k. Now this period 1 was 2 seconds. So 2 is equals to pi square root of m over k, like this. The 2 can cancel, leaving us with the 1 is equals to pi square root of m over k. If I square both sides, this will be 1 squared is 1. Squaring this side like this will give us pi squared. Then m, all this is over k, because the square root cancels. So if I cross multiply, this means that k is equals to pi squared times m. Okay, this is what I get. Now, allow me to label this as equation 1. So, for the second equation, it will be the same, but the only difference is that where there's mass, the mass increased by 2. And then remember, the period was now 3. So let's just rewrite it. This won't work. So starting from where we started from, this is for period 2. This is equals to 2 pi square root of m over k. So period 2 is 3. This is equals to 2 pi. Now for the mass, let's just say the mass is m plus 2, because it increased by 2. All this is over k. Like that. We are finding the value of m. It says find m. So since we have an expression for k, we'll just have to come and replace the value of k. So to do that, first of all, let's simplify it further by squaring both sides here. So if I square both sides, I'll get 9 is equals to 4 pi squared multiplied by m plus 2. All this is over k. Okay, let's get rid of this. So if I cross multiply, this will be 9k. Sorry. 9k is equals to 4 pi squared, open bracket, m plus 2. So with this expression now, I can get rid of the 9. So I have k is equals to 4 pi squared, open bracket, m plus 2 divided by 9, like that. Well, since everything will just cancel out, let's do this. Let's call this our equation 2. Then let equation 1 come into equation 2. Remember, equation 1 is this one that we have here. So where there's k, I'll replace k with pi squared m. This is equals to 4 pi squared then we have m plus 2. Okay, so what cancels here? First of all, pi squared can cancel. If I divide both sides by pi squared, I'll just remain with 9m is equals to 4m plus 2. So this will be 9m is equals to 4m plus 8. So 9m minus 4m is equals to 8. So this is 5m is equals to 8. Hence the value of m is simply 8 over 5, which is 1.6. So that mass m was simply 1.6 kg.